Sa?
LRT. Yung voiceover.
Sige nga.
Thank you for patronizing the LRT. Wishing you a safe and convenient journey.
Miss Conchata.
Ayun. Isa mo po.
Okay. Quiet po. What's the most difficult experience?
Parang katulad po nung kanina dun sa may recognition thing. After all the recognitions I've given to my school, parang kahit po sa top 20, hindi po ako nakaabot. Ayun.
Anong kakantay mo?
Never Let Her Slip Away by the Beatles. I talked to my baby on the telephone, long distance. I never would have guessed I could miss someone so bad. Yeah, I really only met her about a week ago. It doesn't seem to matter to my heart. I know that I love her. I'm hoping that I'll never recover. Ooh, she's good for me, and it would really make me happy. So never let her slip away.
Kananglan ng Tagalog. Short.
Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ika'y lumalayo? Puso'y laging nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Di ba nila alam? Tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo